Ditch the paperwork and embrace insurance simplicity today. We're diving into how to navigate the State Farm Client Portal. First, to access the State Farm Client interface, you'll need an account. If you don't have one, click the Create an Account button, usually located near the login area. Follow the prompts, providing the necessary information, like your policy number and contact details, and creating a secure password. Once your account is set up, or if you already have one, head back to the login page, enter your user ID or email address, along with your password, and click the login or equivalent button. Make sure you enter the correct credentials. Bingo! You've successfully logged in, and now you are at the main dashboard. From here, the world of managing your insurance is at your fingertips. Let's explore the features available. First, go to Policies, where you can view all your active insurance policies, from auto to home to life. Click on a policy to view detailed information, coverage amounts, and policy documents like your insurance card. Next, click on the Claims section. Here, you can easily file a new claim if you've experienced a covered loss. Just follow the instructions, which will usually involve providing details about the incident, photos, and then submitting it. You can also check the status of any existing claims. To make payments on your policies, navigate to the Billing or Payments section. Here, you can view your current balance, due dates, and payment history. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions to remit your payment, making sure to submit the correct amount. Need to connect with your agent? Look for a section related to Contact Agent or Support. You'll find options to send a secure message, phone your agent, or schedule a meeting. It's a quick and easy way to get personalized assistance. And there you have it, a whole new world of easy and simple insurance management, always available at the click of a button. Now you can handle your insurance needs from the comfort of your own home. #Client Portal #State Farm Online.